Module Overview. This module introduces you to the range of tools, devices, containers, and systems used in the safe, efficient, and accurate collection of blood specimens. A core pillar of phlebotomy lies not just in skillful venipuncture, but also in correct equipment selection, maintenance of sterility, prevention of hemolysis, and adherence to labeling protocols. Professionally trained phlebotomists must recognize and choose the appropriate equipment based on patient demographics, e.g., pediatric, geriatric, vein conditions, test requirements, e.g., coagulation versus chemistry, and procedural constraints, e.g., multiple draws, stat tests. Understanding the specifications and indications of collection tubes, needles, syringes, lancets, tourniquets, antiseptics, holders, and labeling systems ensures quality control, pre-analytical integrity, and compliance with national and international laboratory safety standards such as those of CLSI, CAP, ISO, and OSHA. This module is also structured to support certification, examination, preparation, and institutional training accreditation. 4.1 Overview of Blood Collection Systems. There are three primary systems for collecting blood. 1. Evacuated tube system, ETS, most commonly used in clinical settings, consists of a double-ended needle, plastic holder, and vacuum-sealed tubes. Allows for multiple tubes collection with minimal vein trauma. Advantages: safe, quick, minimal exposure to blood. Disadvantages: requires strong veins, can collapse fragile veins. Syringe system includes sterile syringe with plunger and hypodermic needle used for fragile veins or small veins, e.g., elderly, children. Advantages: better control of suction pressure. Disadvantages: higher exposure risk, requires transfer to tube. 3. Capillary collection system uses lancets and micro collection tubes, suitable for neonates, infants, burn patients, or those with poor venous access. 4.2 Needles and gauge selection. Needles are color-coded based on gauge size, which refers to diameter, gauge color. Use case 21G, green standard adult venipuncture, 22G, black smaller veins, pediatric, geriatric, 23G, blue fragile, superficial veins, butterfly, 25G, orange pediatric, or small veins, capillary. Important features: bevel, always inserted, bevel up. Length varies from 1 to 1.5. Type, straight or butterfly winged, preferred for hand-foot veins. 3. Blood collection, tubes and additives. Tubes are color-coded based on their contents. The order of draw is essential to avoid cross-contamination of additives, which can alter test results. Tube color additive test, type inversion. Yellow SPS, blood culture, 8-10X, light blue sodium citrate coagulation, PT, APTT, 3-4X, red no additive serum, chemistry, serology, 5X, gold, SST, gel separator, serum, chemistry, 5X, green heparin plasma chemistry, 8-10X, lavender, EDTA, hematology, CBC, ESR, 8-10X, gray sodium fluoride glucose lactate, 8-10X. Key concepts: incorrect order of draw may cause false lab results. Tubes must be gently inverted, not shaken, to mix additives. 4.4 Additional equipment and their functions. Item function: tourniquet vein dilation through venous stasis, alcohol swabs, skin antiseptic, 70% isopropyl alcohol, gauze pad, post-puncture compression, bandage protects puncture site, labeling pens. For identifying specimens, needle disposal, puncture-proof containers for sharps. Holder, adapter, secures needle and tube during collection. Proper preparation and handling of these tools are critical too. Avoid sample rejection, prevent needle injury, ensure patient comfort and confidence. 4.5 Storage, expiry, and quality control. All phlebotomy supplies must be stored in cool, dry, sterile environments, inspected regularly for expiry dates, integrity, and contamination, replaced when damaged or expired, documented in inventory logs. Accreditation compliance requires that clinical labs use CE, FDA-approved collection materials, conduct periodic validation and calibration, implement inventory tracking systems. 4.6. Role in pre-analytical quality. Up to 70% of laboratory errors occur in the pre-analytical phase, many of which are related to improper equipment use, such as wrong tube for test, inadequate mixing, improper labeling, clotted samples due to wrong anticoagulant hemolysis from incorrect needle size or technique. Phlebotomists are frontline guardians of laboratory accuracy. Module 4. Learning Objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify and correctly use all major specimen collection tools, choose appropriate tubes and additives for various lab tests, apply correct order of draw and inversion protocols, practice safe and sterile equipment handling, store and manage equipment according to quality standards.